Hey, this is Joey Murphy with lights at wholesale.com, and we're going to go over how to peak a bulb. All right, so to peak a bulb, this peak right here is we have it running down this side, and then we have it running down this side. What you want to do, let's say this is our peak bulb. You want to slide it in and make it nice and symmetrical. You can see it was a little hard to get under there, and it's off to the side just a little bit. What you can do is take your cutters, and you can actually cut this tail end off. And what that does is it makes it pliable where you can actually bend it in here and not damage the top of the shingle. The main thing we want to do is not harm the property. So if you're going to tear a shingle, you definitely want to use this cut. That way you can get even there. Now what we like to do when we peak our bulbs, especially for next year, is we're going to take this off. We're going to put on a black clip. You can get these at lightsatwholesale.com. The reason why we do a black clip is because when you're running it out, sometimes you can't see the pink zip tie in the yard, or you want a bigger thing to show where the peak bulb is. So we do white, and then we know this one's the peak. We know that this is a tight shingle here, and we want it to be right at the peak. So what we're going to do is cut this down too. Then what we like to do is we like to put a pink zip tie. This is universal with all of our projects. We just started moving over to the black clip. We always do pink for peak. So we cut the tail end off of that. And this is what our peak bulbs usually look like, is like this. Now, if you can't get right at the peak like this, for some reason, maybe it's too tight of where it's at, you're going to tear it, whatever it is. In our company, is we just want symmetry. So the worst thing you can do is put one like this, and then do one down here. Let me get it a little bit tighter in there. So what this does, I'm just showing the difference here, is you want it symmetrical. So you would never want it to be right here and then off right there. When it gets down low, it's not going to look good. And so what you want to do is split the difference and just make it symmetrical. So I call these devil horns, but essentially they're just split and it's symmetrical, or you could peak the bulb. Ultimately, we always want to peak that bulb.